Welcome to this course on developing new managers in your organization. As seasoned pros in management or senior roles, you're the secret sauce in shaping your company's future leaders. We're going to equip you with all the know-how, tools, and strategies you need to spot, nurture, and empower those up-and-coming managerial superstars. Throughout our time together, we'll explore everything from what makes a manager tick to setting up rock-solid support systems. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started on this management development adventure. Goals and outcomes of the course. Let's talk about what you're going to get out of this course. By the time we're done, you'll be a pro at spotting potential managerial rock stars in your teams. Trust me, they're there. You'll learn to draft and roll out great management development tracks. No more winging it. You'll be able to whip up competency frameworks that fit your organization like a glove. You'll have a whole toolbox of learning tricks to boost your management skills. You'll be able to set up support systems that'll make your new and developing managers feel like superheroes. And lastly, aligning this management development with your big picture organizational goals and succession planning.
The big win here: you're going to build a pipeline of managers who can take your organization to the moon and back. We're talking about creating a culture where learning and leadership development are as natural as breathing at every level of your org.
As we cruise through this course, you'll pick up insights and strategies you can start using right away. Whether you're looking to jazz up an existing program or build something from scratch, we've got you covered. This is your ticket to management development success. Understanding the role of a manager. Let's chat about what it really means to be a manager. It's not just bossing people around. Managers are like the ultimate bridge builders in your organization. They're taking those big, lofty strategies from the top and turning them into actual plans that get stuff done. They're the ones leading teams, juggling resources, setting goals, and making sure everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Think about it this way. Managers are planners, organizers, leaders, controllers, and decision-makers all rolled up into one. They're developing strategies, assigning tasks, motivating their teams, keeping an eye on progress, and making tough calls that impact everyone around them. Let me give you a real-world example. Picture Sarah, who just got promoted to manager in a software development company. She's gone from coding wizard to suddenly having to balance her tech know-how with a whole new set of responsibilities. Now, she's coordinating project timelines, mentoring junior developers, and playing nice with other departments to make sure everything comes together smoothly. It's a whole new ballgame.
Understanding these core manager functions is important for anyone looking to develop new managers. It's like the foundation of a house. Everything else builds on top of it.
Importance of management development for organizational growth. Now let's talk about why developing your managers isn't just a nice to have. It's a must-have for any organization that wants to grow and thrive. When you invest in developing your managers, you're basically ensuring a steady stream of capable leaders who can drive your organization forward. Think about it. Well-trained managers lead to more efficient teams, which leads to better overall performance. It's like a domino effect of awesomeness. Plus, when you develop managers from within, you're making sure there's always someone ready to step up when a leadership position opens up. It's like having an insurance policy for your organization's future. Offering clear paths to management roles can seriously boost employee engagement and keep your top talent from jumping ship. And in today's crazy, ever-changing business world, managers who are always learning and developing are better equipped to handle whatever curveballs come their way. Here's a real-world example for you. Imagine a retail chain that invests in turning its store supervisors into fully fledged managers. Suddenly, they're seeing improvements in store performance, happier customers, and employees who stick around longer. It's a win-win-win situation for everyone involved. Overview of the management development process. Alright, let's break down the management development process. Think of it as a journey, a structured approach to growing leadership skills and managerial superpowers. It's not a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing adventure that's tailored to both individual needs and what your organization needs. So what does this process look like? First up is assessment. This is where we figure out what skills our budding managers already have, what they're great at, and where they could use a little polish. Then we move on to goal setting, laying out clear objectives for skill development and career progression. It's like creating a roadmap for their managerial journey. Next, we get into learning experiences. This is the fun part. We're talking a mix of formal training, on-the-job learning, and stretch assignments. But we're not just throwing them into the deep end and hoping they swim. We're providing regular feedback and coaching, offering constructive criticism and mentoring support. Then we create opportunities for them to apply their newly acquired skills in real situations. It's like a test drive for their new managerial abilities. Finally, we're consistently evaluating and adjusting. We regularly check in on progress and tweak the development plans as needed. It's all about staying flexible and responsive to changing needs. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine a tech company that implements a management development program. They might have leadership workshops, rotate their emerging managers through different departments to broaden their experience, and set up regular one-on-one coaching sessions with senior execs. It's a comprehensive approach that covers all the bases. Remember, this whole process is cyclical. You constantly need to refine it to keep up with evolving business needs and individual growth trajectories. It's like a living, breathing thing that grows and changes right along with your organization and your managers. So there you have it. That's a roadmap for this course and a peek into the world of management development. Buckle up, because we're in for an exciting ride.